Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Rajesh. Today topic is mm, how to save how to save the Java program and how to compile the Java program and how to execute the Java program. Today topic that is today topic is to discuss how to save, compile and execute our Java class. Next step, three steps are there. Three steps involved to save, compile and execute our Java program. Let us see one example how to save, how to compile and how to execute. In this example I am showing how to save, compile and execute very clearly. In the previous examples also I have shown, but in this example I am showing little bit slow to understand each and every person. Open notepad to do Java program. Open notepad. See, I am showing in the screen because today I am telling very slow to understand each and every person. See, click on notepad. Okay, let us take small example. I am taking small example. Class name, sample 1. S is a capital letter. Open flower bracket. Open class, public, static, void, main, string args array. S is the capital letter in the string args array. Open bracket, open flower bracket, system dot out dot println. I want to print one message on console. Function 1, function of sample 1 class. Close main. Okay, class name. Main method is to execute our program. System.out.println is to print on the console. Go to file, save. Now I am showing how to save our Java class. File, save option. Go to save. See, I am showing on the screen very clearly. File, save option or control plus S. Go to D drive, save sample 1.java. See, I am saving in D drive. File name I am same class name using sample1.java. If you save with the same class name, what is the advantage I will tell later in next video. Save with the same class name, file name.java. Now go to file location, click on D drive. See, my file is saved sample1.java in D drive. Are you seeing at below? Okay, sample1.java is saved. It is the Java file. Okay, now in the search box, type cmd to open console. After saving the file, we should compile and execute our Java class at console. Compile. Okay, have a screen once again. See, type on search box cmd in D drive, remove that and type cmd. It will open our console, or go to run command and type cmd. Okay, cmd. It is open our console or command prompt. It is used to compile our class and execute our class. See, syntax is, see, console is open. Syntax is Java C sample 1.java. See, successfully compiled my Java program. No compilation errors. Click on enter. If any compilation errors, it will show in your program. Successfully compiled my program. See, syntax is Java C class name dot Java. See, in the hard disk, dot class will be generated. Below sample1 VLC media player, below sample1 dot class is generated. See, have created sample1 dot Java. Java compiler converted sample1 dot class. It is machine understandable language. Then I should execute my program. After generating dot class file, Java sample1 have executed my program. Java sample1, click on enter. Click on enter. See, function 1 of sample1 output is came. I defined a main method in the SOP system.out.println. One message that is printed on the console. Because I am explaining very slow to understand each and every person how to save, how to compile and how to execute. It is used in every program in the Java. These steps are okay. Anybody want to view more videos, please like, share, subscribe my channel. They will get latest updates on Java. Okay, 3 steps again I am repeating, giving in the notes. First step, to save. To save syntax, class name dot java. To compile, syntax, second step, to compile, syntax, javac, class name dot java. Third step, to execute, syntax, these three steps we use in every program in Java. Java, class name to execute. Please listen carefully. These steps are we used in every Java program. These three steps. See these three steps carefully and note down in your notes who are listening first time. In the above example, have done one example now. In that my class name is sample1.java. So I saved sample1.java, sample1 in the above example class name. I saved sample1.java. I compiled as javac sample1.java. To execute, java sample1. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates. Okay. Finally, the output is will printed on the console. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates. Okay. Thank you.